Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well these days. My name is Kiran Yadav. I am your English grammar teacher of class 3rd. Welcome to your online classes. So, children, today our topic is singular and plural lesson number 2. Singular means one and plural means many. Okay, so let's start. So children, first of all tell me what is singulars. Yes, so a noun that is one is called singular. Example: boy, chair, teacher. So children, nouns can name one thing or more than one thing. The nouns that name one thing are called singular noun, and the noun that name more than one thing are called plural noun. सिंगुलर क्या होता है? एक के लिए. सिंगुलर एक. प्लूरल मीन्स बहुत सारे, एक से ज़्यादा. Plural, a noun that is more than one is called plural, like boys, chairs, teachers. Here is in singular boy one, but in plural is boys, means एक से ज़्यादा. एस लग गया तो क्या बन गया? प्लूरल. चेयर, chairs, teacher, teachers. These are singular and these are plural nouns. Got it? So there are first of all, like I say, if you have a book with you, we are talking about one book. Here is one book, but if it is more than one, it will be books. Got it? So the first rule about nouns that some word you add only s to make it plurals. By adding s to make plural. सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बनाना है एस ऐड करके. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. दीज आर सिंगुलर नाउन एंड दीज आर प्लूरल नाउन. तो सिंगुलर में क्या है? बुक. क्या है? बुक. बुक मीन्स एक बुक. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन बुक. हेयर एडिंग एस, books. Now we are talking about many books. It is more than one, so it will be books. ऐसे ऐड कर दिया तो किस में आ गया? प्लूरल में. सिंगुलर में बुक, प्लूरल बुक्स. बॉय वन बॉय, बॉयज. मोर देन वन बॉय. इट कैन बी 2 boy, 3 boy, 4 boy. So it is plural by adding s. Girl. There is one girl. Now in plural girls. We add s into it. It make plural. Girl, one girl. Girls, many girls. It is plural now. It is singular and it is plural. So our first rule about noun that some words you add only s to make plurals. हमको इन वर्ड्स में सिर्फ s जोड़ के प्लूरल बनाना है. हमें जब s जोड़ देते हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? प्लूरल बन जाता है. प्लूरल मीन्स एक से अधिक और सिंगुलर मीन्स सिंगल, वन थिंग, वन एनिमल. ओके, have you got it, children? Now next, second rule number, the words that end with ch, sh, ss, o, z, x बाय एडिंग ई एस। जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके एंड में सी एच, एस एच, एस एस, ओ, जेड, एक्स, जो भी ये लेटर्स आते हैं तो हम उसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे? ई एस। ओके, so here is the word bush, so here is sh, sh comes there, so now we will add es into it and it will become plural. Bush, bushes. Class, classes. Class, double s, we add es into it, it makes classes. Okay, singular class and plural classes. Box, boxes. Here is x, we add es into it, boxes. Mango, o is there, so we add es, mangoes. Likewise we will make singular to plural now. Okay, so children, have you understood about singular and plural? So yes, singular means one and plural means many. Singular, a noun which speaks of a one person, animal, bird, place, thing, is singular number, like boy, chair, teacher, girl, eagle, etc. Okay, and if that thing, suppose a person is one, we will say one person. If there are many, then we will say persons. Suppose if there is one boy, one book, so we will write only book, boy, girl. Okay, but if there are many, then we will write books, boys, girls. Okay, and plural, a noun which speaks of more than one person, animal, bird, place or thing, is in plural number. So how we change this singular to plural? Okay, now we will do some exercises of these two rules. Okay, first is by adding s, second is the words that end with ch, sh, ss, o, z, x and s. Okay, let's start, children. So here B, now we will add s into it, it become plural, bees. Same, frog, we will add s, frogs. Apple, we will add s into it, apples, it become plural, chick, chicks. Ball, balls. Now we add s into it to make plural. Okay, now we will add es. Church, here is cs, so we will add es, it becomes churches. Brush, sh, so we will add es, brushes. Glass, double s is here, so we will add es into it, it becomes plural noun, glasses. Glass, glasses. X, fox, again we will add foxes, it becomes foxes. Dish, sh, we will add es, dishes. Okay, like this we will make singular to plural. Church, churches. Brush, brushes. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes. Dish, dishes. इसमें हमने क्या ऐड किया? एस, और इसमें हमने ई एस. ई एस का रूल क्या है? यस, जब वर्ड्स के लास्ट एंड में सी एच, एस एच, डबल एस, एक्स, एस एच, ओ, जेड जब ये लेटर आते हैं तो हम उसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे, ई एस। बी बीज, फ्रॉग फ्रॉग्स, एप्पल एप्पल्स, चिक चिक्स, बॉल balls. These are singular and these are plural, and we have add s into it to make plural. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Please practice it, learn it, read it thoroughly. In our next video we will discuss remaining rules of this lesson, singular and plural. Okay, thank you, have a good day.